Today we are installing a brand new cabin air filter, 2015 Nissan Micra. There's your part number, right from Nissan. The filter is gigantic, and we found out that it appears that they did not put cabin air filters in these vehicles when they first made them. To get to it, the easiest way honestly is to take out the glove box. We'll show you how to put that back together. Put some light on here. There's other videos. Nissan Versa also has a very similar design, but your filter goes right in here. There it is. You pull the clip off. I'm not going to take it off right now because it's a pain in the butt to put back on, but I strongly suggest that you take the time to take the glove box out. To get to it, it gives you the most room. There's other videos out there you'll see of how they pull the filter out and put it in, so you can check those videos out. And in the meantime, we'll show you how to put the glove box back together. So the glove box is in two pieces. This is the glove box here, and the door. There's the hinge down here for the door. We'll show you how to put that on. But when you pop this in, there's two like locking tabs on the sides. There's one here. There should be one on the other side. Yeah, there it is there. And there's 10 screws that hold this thing in. And there's 4 screws at the bottom. And the best way to get to them is after you've removed the door. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. There's, where are we here? 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top, and 2 on the inside. 10 screws in total that hold this in the vehicle. So here's the glove box here. It fits in the hole. Right, the 2 tabs, you're going to find those holes and lock them in place, and then put your 10 screws in place. So the glove box is back in. I need some light there, camera assistant.
There.
So you've got 4 screws on the top. There's 1, 2 here where the latch is, and 1 here. And in the inside, there's 2 on the inside, and there's 4 on the bottom. Now the 4 on the bottom you can only access with the door removed. So there's 2 trap doors. The ones on the ends have these little trap doors, and the other 2 are right here. And again, the door has to be removed. So here's your door. 2 hinges. There's 1 here, there's 1 here, and then you'll see how these work. Okay, so we're going to put it on here. We already tried this before we went on camera. I don't believe they snap. They just sit on there, and then when you bring this up, you're going to give these a little bit of a hit. Oh, and to remove it, you've got to, this is tough, but you have to push on these arms, push them both down, because see the locking tabs. There's locking tab here, locking tab here. So to put it back in, I think we just give it a hit. There we go. And that's your dashboard and your glove box. So again, to remove it, you've got to put a lot of pressure. You see my finger and thumb here?
Yep. You
put a lot of pressure on there. You got to push that down until it pops out, and then you got to push this one down until it pops out. Door comes right out, and then take the screws out, and you're good to go. So in closing, it is my opinion. I've done lots of work on cars over the years. I am not a mechanic, but now that we know how this works, I believe your best bet to do the filter properly is get that glove box completely removed and give you full access to the filter. Good luck.